And now we are making a sweet cacao zucchini loaf. Another way to use zucchini into your breads. First, we are going to make a flax egg, that is using 1 tablespoon of flax meal, that is unroasted unsalted flax seeds ground into meal, and in this I'm just adding enough water to cover it up and give it a nice mix. And this is going to help all our ingredients to hold together. So we're going to keep this aside for about 5 minutes. Coming to our dry ingredients, we have the brown rice flour, cacao powder, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and almond flour. We're going to make our own almond flour. So these are unroasted unsalted almonds which I'll grind into flour. So this is what we have. We're going to add this to our dry ingredients. Coming to our wet ingredients, we're going to add the zucchini, the sweetener, and half the quantity of the milk. And now to this we're going to add the flax egg. Mix it all together. We'll let this sit for about 2-3 minutes till all our sweetener dissolves. So after 2-3 minutes, once your sweetener has well dissolved, add your dry ingredients. Your oven has been preheating. Since we have baking soda in this recipe, we cannot let it out for too long. So we are going to bake it soon after we have mixed and put it in the tin. So now we'll add rest of the milk. And cut and fold, cut and fold. So this is the consistency of the batter that we want. So in case you feel your ingredients are still too dry, feel free to add a tablespoon or 2 of milk more. And now we're going to transfer this to our baking pan. So once all our ingredients are into the pan, we are going to put this in a preheated oven for about 30 minutes or slightly longer till it's completely baked.